Now let's review the facts of this case. If you are a law student, lawyer, or legal professional, click below for the complete case video, including the review of the parties, procedural posture and history, case issue, court holding and rulings, policy established, case key terms, and much more. Yellow Cab Company. The defendant was directly involved in the accident that gave rise to this important case. The company's driver was operating his vehicle at an excessive speed while approaching an intersection. Despite the cautionary signal of a yellow light, the driver chose to accelerate rather than slow down, thereby entering the intersection unsafely. At that same moment, the plaintiff, Ms. Lee, attempted to cross 3 lanes of oncoming traffic in order to access a nearby service station. This decision placed her car directly in the path of the approaching cab. The 2 vehicles collided in the intersection, resulting in substantial damage. Both parties' actions were recognized as negligent, the cab driver for speeding and disregarding the yellow light, and Ms. Lee for making a dangerous crossing across multiple lanes of traffic. The case proceeded to trial, where the court applied the doctrine of contributory negligence. Under this rule, any fault on the part of the plaintiff completely barred her recovery, regardless of the defendant's own negligence. The trial court concluded that because Ms. Lee was negligent, she could not receive damages. On appeal, however, the California Supreme Court rejected contributory negligence and adopted comparative negligence, allowing recovery reduced according to fault. To view the entire video explanation and the thousands of additional case and topic videos, click below and subscribe for optimal law school performance.